Here's how to add a trusted friend on Roblox using the QR code method. Both people need to be age verified and 13 or older. If either account does not meet these requirements, the trusted friend option will not appear. You also cannot use a screenshot of a QR code. The scan must happen live in real time. From the home page, find the friend you want to add and open their profile. Tap the Options button and select Add Trusted Friend. If you do not see the option, tap View Full Profile and try again from there. Alternatively, go to Add Friend on the home page and select My QR to show your code. Have your friends scan it with their camera, then tap the Roblox button that appears on their screen. They will need to click Add Trusted Friend, and then you will receive a request to accept them. If the QR code is not working, try switching who scans. Sometimes having the other person show their QR code and you scan theirs resolves the issue when one direction fails. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.